Hi everybody, Daft Scots here, and today is day 23 of the 30-day blog challenge. So we're heading towards the downhill, towards the end of the blog challenge, and I'm sure you're all thankful for it because I thought it was going to be more exciting than it actually was. But you know what? I've actually learned a lot about myself over the last 20 odd days. Anyway, the reason I'm wearing this beautiful disguise is because I had some moles burnt off on my face this week. And actually, never mind, I had some moles burnt out my face this week and I look a bit like a leper. So just excuse, please, if you don't want to watch, just click stop now. Anyway, so this week's topic is, or that today's topic is 15 facts about yourself. Now, if any of you have been following my blog for a while, you'll know that on the sidebar on my blog, I've got 100 facts about myself, 100 things about Daft Scots. So I chose 15, some of them from that list, some of them not from the list, just depends on my mood, to tell you a few things about myself. Stop staring at the scores. Number 1, I chew my nails. Yes, I know, it's pretty disgusting. I chew my nails and I hate it. It's the worst habit under the sun apart from smoking. That's number 1. Number 2, yep, I do admit that sometimes I would sell my 2 children for beer money, especially today because we're driving me insane. It's raining outside and I've got bugger all to do and they're driving me up the wall. Number 3, oopsie. Some of you might have noticed in my videos that I have a pierced tongue. And I got that pierced probably about 10 years ago. I've taken it out over the years and putting it back, but I quite enjoy it. Number 4 is I still have my appendix. How many of you can say that? Number 5 is chocoholic. Most of you will know that I'm a chocoholic. Yes, I look like I'm a chocoholic. I'm a chocoholic. Hi, my name's Gillian and I am a chocoholic. Number 6 on my list is, now for those of you who don't know what a bubbling Bertha is, it means you cry a lot. I'm a very emotional person and I cry at sad movies, I cry at Oprah, I cry at Dr. Phil, I cry at some commercials even, and a lot of music brings me to tears, so I just cry for anything and anything, including when I'm angry, by the way. Number 7, some of you will actually be wondering what the orange beast is. My orange beast is my Ford Focus ST, which I love. I love the speed, I love the power, and it makes me smile every day. Here's something that doesn't make me smile every day. I'm very disgusted when it comes to coffee. I love the smell, but don't make me drink it. I have never in my entire life drunk an entire cup of coffee. I just couldn't do it. I think I would throw up in the cup. Number 9 is the word fuck. I use it a lot. I love the word. It's very descriptive, and I don't think I'd be able to go one day without saying it at least a dozen times. Yes, I must admit this is something I do quite a bit. We're a very farty family, and I think it must be all the black pepper we eat, but I don't know. We fart a lot, and that, I do it at work. I don't do it in public places. I do draw the line somewhere, but I'm not ashamed to admit it, and just one of those things. I am not a domestic goddess. I hate cooking. I hate cleaning. I hate ironing. I will avoid it at all costs. And I'm not the cupcake baking type. The less time I spend in the kitchen, the better, in fact. So my Boerewors does most of the cooking and I do the cleaning up. I don't like the cleaning up, but I do it. It's one little sacrifice to have somebody cook your wonderful meal. Number 12 is, yes, indeed I do. I kill plants. I don't know what I do. I certainly do not have the green fingers. Maybe it's got something to do with the fact that I bite my nails. Anyway, every plant that comes into this house gets killed. I think I overwater it. I give it too much love. I don't know what the hell it is. I have got one house plant that I've had for like 20 years, and it's the only thing that I haven't killed. So it must be pretty sturdy. Toothache. This is something that I've been suffering for the last 2 weeks, and it's driving me insane. And quite frankly, I would rather go through 2 childbirths without no drugs than go through the toothache. It's that constant pain, that drive you insane pain. And I wouldn't have it for all the tea in China. Maybe I should just pull the damn thing out. Anyway, number 14 is singing. I love singing. I'm not very good at it. In fact, I'm crap at singing. But if there's karaoke, I'm there. And I sing along to the radio all the time. I crank the volume up, I sing along. I sing in the house. I sing when I'm in the shower. I sing when I'm in the bath. I sing when I'm in the kitchen, not cooking but cleaning. Yeah, I just love singing. Maybe it's just because I just love music. And number 15, the final one, is a bit of a controversial subject. It's death penalty, and yes, I do believe in it. Noose those fuckers up. Anyway, so that was day 23 of the 30-day vlog challenge. See you again soon. Bye.